Good afternoon. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you have joined me today for my Simple Sunday video. I decided to look at a kit from our collections to do today. The unique thing about some of our kits is that some of them you stamp with and some of them you don't. You just assemble them. And that's what this one is all about. It's a non-stamping kit. So I'm going to show you how that works. This is our Blossom Blossom Wishes kit. So we're going to open this up. And like all the other kits that we have from Paper Pumpkin and so forth, it comes with an instruction sheet. Shows you all the things that you need for each card, and then it will show you how to make each card. And it also has a ruler on the side, so if you have to measure any thread or anything like that, you can do that. All right, looks like we have some punch outs here. Here's our glue dots. Here's our words that punch out. Some more punch outs. Here's some more words. And some fancy things here. These are our envelopes. So these are going to be some slimline cards and some regular. Well, I guess they're both slimline. One's a little smaller than the other. All right. And then these are the cards themselves. We've got our Stampin' Dimensionals. We've got our big envelopes and our small ones. So we're going to start. It looks like the small ones, I'm just going to make one card of each for our video today. And then if you're interested in these, be sure to order them and you can make your own. They're very simple. So we're going to have this. Let's see, this is one card, and we're going to use this with that. And it looks like we need a set of pairs for this one. And also a set of the purple leaves. And something that says "You Matter." And then it looks like, let's see, this is the envelope that goes with it. Then it shows like some flowers or something there. I'm going to see if I can find where those are. I didn't see them when I first opened this up, so I'm not sure what that's referring to. Let's see if I can figure it out looking at the front here. Well, there is something there, but I just haven't seen it yet. So maybe as we go through these, we'll figure it out. Just trying to see if I got it elsewhere here, but I don't see it right now. Now you'll see with this, we have a couple, what's the word I want? Languages. We have a German and a French, I believe, and I don't know what the other one is. Japanese, maybe? Let's see if it tells us. No, it doesn't tell us right off the bat. But if you know by looking at this what language it is that you need, you can make this special for someone who would understand that language. Yeah, I don't know where those flowers are. I don't see them in my kit. All right. So anyway, those go together. Then on the big envelope, we have this gold one, and we have a happy birthday. So we're going to punch that out. And we have that set of leaves, which is different from this one. And we get 2 of those, it looks like. These are all sticking together here. All right, so we've got this one and this one. Okay. Now we have everything that we need. We have our Stampin' Dimensionals, and we have our glue dots, and I do not know where those little flowers are. There's supposed to be some vellum flowers in here, and I cannot find them. So I don't know if they got missed in my kit or if they're stuck somewhere and I just can't see it. So I'm not going to get too excited about it right now. We're just going to get started. Could be underneath stuff too. All right, let's look at number 1. It shows on our instruction sheet that we're going to put our Stampin' Dimensionals. Those are the big circles, if you can see those. And then the little dark circles are the glue dots. So that's what we're going to follow. And this shows us where to put all our Stampin' Dimensionals. So I'm going to grab, let's see, let's put this one aside so I don't get it mixed up. I'm going to grab my Stampin' Dimensionals, and we're going to start putting them the way that they're shown on the instructions. Like that. And then the pears also get some dimensionals. And then our leaves. And I find if I lay them down just the way they're shown in the instructions, I'll get the glue and everything where it needs to be. So you'll want to keep that in mind so that you're not guessing where it goes. Take your pick tool, get my glue dots, and it says to put one on this leaf and one on this one and one on this one right there. Okay, then our uh, oh, you matter sign. Let's see. Yep. It also calls for dimensionals. So we're going to put those right there. All right. So let's put this together. Our card is going to open up this way. So we're going to take, I'm going to start by taking the paper off of the Stampin' Dimensionals on this red piece. I know it doesn't look red here, but it is on the other side. I trust you all are doing well. Let's see here. And we'll just center that right on the edge of the card, it looks like. Yep. No, not quite on the edge. We'll just center it right in the middle of the card so that there's kind of a border all the way around it, a white border. Okay, and then we're going to take our pears and we're going to put those right there. And then we'll take our little sign and we'll put You Matter right there. And we'll take the glue dot paper off. Oh, come on. And we're going to put those right here. Now, if you get a kit that has those little white flowers, you will be placing your little white flowers on top of these leaves. If I find mine, I will definitely take a picture and I'll put it on my blog for you. But at this point, I have not found them. I keep looking to see if they're in with the other white stuff or where they might be. I don't know what happened. So I'll keep looking though, and we'll see what we can figure out. All right, let's go to the next card. So this is the first card. It's the smaller one, and it goes with the smaller envelope. Now we're going to do another slimline card. This is the taller one, and we'll show you what we can do with this. All right, there's something I forgot to punch out here. We need 2 sets of these peaches, or apples. I'm not sure what they're supposed to be. All right. Again, we're going to look at where the Stampin' Dimensionals go. And so we've got our happy birthday to do. We have our peaches or apples and our gold strip that goes along. And then our leaves will get our glue dots. So we'll get that all ready too. Okay, let's start with the dimensionals. And our long piece gets one on each end. I don't know how many of you have pets, but we have a dog. And our dog is getting old. She's 10 years old. And she has arthritis in her one of her feet. One of her paws, I should say. And she gets in a lot of pain. And yesterday we were outside, and she was all excited about being out there, and her instincts kicked in when she saw a little bunny. And she started after it, hardly able to hop over. And the bunny ran into a window well, and our dog bent down to see if she could reach it, and she fell into the window well. And we think she sprained that paw because she's just not moving right now. So we've been doctoring her the last couple of days. I don't think she'll ever go towards another window well again, or even try to go after a bunny, maybe, for that matter. Oh, I tell you. So I have a feeling it's going to take quite a while for her to heal from this. Okay, now we got all of our Stampin' Dimensionals on and our glue dots on. So I'm going to go ahead and take the papers off. We'll first lay down that background piece. Make sure our card opens up correctly before laying it down, and then we're just going to center it right on the card there. And then it's a matter of just putting these other things in place. We're going to take one set of our peaches and we're going to put them right here with, looks like it's, I have to think now when I turn these around which direction they're going. Okay, we're going to use this one. I'm going to take my glue dot paper off. And again, we'll lay those right here. Oh, actually, this shows where it goes on the inside of it. So we're going to do it like that. And then this one, and these peaches. Put those there and put a set of leaves right in there. Then we'll take the happy birthday sign and we're going to stick that right in the middle. And there's your card. Isn't that cool how easy that is? And it's no stamping involved. It's just assembling the card together. And then you have a really nice, beautiful card to give to someone. And, whoops, wrong envelope. Here we go. So this is what you have in this kit. You'll make 4 of each to be able to hand out. So that's our video for today. Again, if I find those flowers, I'll put them on here and I'll make sure that I take pictures of them. But I can't seem to find them right now. I hope your kit, when you buy it, has it so that you can make them just the way they need to be. All right, I thank you so much for joining me today. I trust that you will have a great Sunday. And if you are interested in purchasing any of the kits, you can go to my shop at creatingcardswithsherry.stampin'up.net. Be sure to use the host code FZS7QX3T. And you'll hit the menu bar, go to All View, and go to Kits. And there's the Paper Pumpkin Kit and the Kits Collections. And you want to go under the Collections. All right? Thank you very much for joining me. You have a fantastic day. And we'll see you again on Tuesday for our Tickle Tuesday video.